What's up guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you what are the requirements of Dumisoft Check Writer and PDC Management software. So after you install, go ahead and run the program. So as you can see, this error pops up. So just click OK. Then close the program. Just open your installer. And then go to the requirements. Then run as administrator. Just click yes. Then this window will pop up. Just accept the license agreement. Then click next. This is the directory. Install.